Hello! It's Monday. Don't know what day of our trip it is, but it's Monday. We left Phnom Penh this morning via bus, and we've been travelling north. We're now north of Phnom Penh on an island. So we caught a ferry over. Now we're on an island in the Mekong River, and we're cycling to our homestay. So tonight we're staying with the locals, like the locals live, eating their food with the family, which is going to be really exciting. Very excited to be out of the city and see how they actually live.
Check out these bikes, they're so badass. Back home Chris wouldn't be caught on one of these, but right here they're perfection.
Perfection. It's about 30 something degrees, 4 o'clock in the afternoon.
Scooter coming behind.
Oh, there's a scooter coming from behind and in front.
Paradise. When you think of tropical paradises, this is what you think of.
So our bike ride will be about 3 kilometres to our homestay. And then tomorrow we're going to ride around the island and to a temple. And then back to the mainland, and we'll keep heading north towards Siem Reap, but we've got a few more days. We're going to do some kayaking, etc. See you tomorrow.